Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name's Irene. I'm the cosplay counselor, and in today's video, I'm going to help you organize your extracurricular activities into a resume. Now, a resume may sound very intimidating, but don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you, so I'll give you the very basics. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I'm a California Credential School counselor and have been working in the guidance department since 2013, where I usually review between 100 to 200 resumes each year. And if you happen to be new to this channel, I hope you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. But let's go ahead and get started. Step 1. Include your contact information. At the top, usually center of the resume, you're going to include your name, your address, your email address, as well as your phone number. Now make sure that this information is up to date because oftentimes a person like me may reach out for clarifying questions on the resume that you may have presented. And I'll go ahead and leave a link below on a sample resume just so you can see what the format may look like. Step 2. List everything that you do outside of the classroom. Now this can include everything from clubs that you participate on campus, sports or even club sports that you're a part of, even a job, if you do an enrichment program or participated in a summer program, anything that you do outside of high school, you'll want to start listing them in your document. You can rearrange them based on categories and see if there are similarities and you can bunch them together. But at the very least, you want to at least list them out so you know what information you can work with. Step 3, write dates and time periods. So once you've done step 2 and identified all the different things that you do beyond the classroom, you want to give a parameter on when and how much time you participated for those activities. Usually you'll want to start with the month and the year that you participated and then dash the time period that ended. Now, if you're still doing it, you'll just put present instead. Now, a pro tip for college applications, it would be really advantageous to also include the amount of time you spend per week for that activity so that you have all that information all in one place. Step 4, write descriptions. So once you identify what activity you're going to be talking about, you're going to highlight your contributions and roles and responsibilities with each activity. You're going to be doing them in bullet statements so they don't have to be in complete sentences. During this time, you want to quantify the things that you do. So as an example, if you're the ecology club treasurer, instead of saying, I handle the club's money, you could say something more descriptive like raised $1,200 in the annual bake sale or added 3 water bottle fountains to the school property. Things that have more tangible outcomes help the reader learn more about the contributions you've made and the type of difference you're making. So that's an introduction to how to write a resume. Now obviously there are different formats in how you would present the information, but at the base of it all, this is the content that you have for your resume. Now I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I would love it if you would share it. For more information, please check out my website, cosplaycounselor.com, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!